Configuring Proteus, the intelligent chemical metering pump in analog mode. Introducing the Proteus, the intelligent series chemical metering pump, engineered to meet today's most demanding standards for accuracy, reliability, and process control flexibility. Remember to always read the instruction manual carefully, paying particular attention to warnings and precautions before installing or making changes to any pump. Always follow safety procedures, including the use of proper clothing, eye, and face protection. First, make sure your pump is stopped. If you need to stop the pump, press the Start/Stop button located on the left of the display screen. Notice the pump status indicator icon and its corresponding LED. If the green LED is illuminated, the pump is operating, and when the LED light is off, the pump is stopped. Once you've confirmed the pump is stopped, determine its current operating mode by viewing the icon in the upper left corner of the notification bar. If the pump is already in analog mode, a milliamp icon will be visible in the notification bar. In this example, we see a hand icon indicating that the pump is in manual mode. We need to change the operating mode using the context-sensitive button that corresponds to the operating mode icon at the bottom of the screen. First, press the Mode button to change to analog mode, as indicated by the milliamp symbol in the navigation area. The main display will be a graph. On the x-axis is the input current that the pump is reading, in our example 12 milliamps. The y-axis indicates the pump flow rate, in our example from 1 to 18 gallons. Our two set points are indicated point 1, which is set at 4 milliamps and 1 gallon per hour, and point 2, which is set at 19 milliamps and 18 gallons per hour. Our pump will operate along this green line. At any given input current on the x-axis, you can plot and see what your flow rate will be for the output of the pump. The red dot indicates our current reading, so the pump is at a 12 milliamp signal, which corresponds to a 10 gallons per hour flow rate. Let's continue configuring the settings for analog mode. First, press the up or down arrow to highlight and then adjust the settings. Notice the graph resembles the main display screen, only smaller. This graph indicates set point 1 and 2. These set points are indicated on the right side of the display as P1 and P2. Use the left and right indicators with the corresponding context-sensitive buttons to scroll between parameters. The blue highlighted parameter indicates the selected value, which can be updated by using the up and down arrow buttons. As an example, we'll adjust the parameters for point 1. First, we keep the flow rate at 1 gallon and then scroll down to adjust the current to 5 milliamps and below. The chart adjusts to reflect the updated settings. Next, for point 2, let's adjust the pump to operate at 17 gallons per hour for signals of 19 milliamps or greater. From here you can cancel the settings by pressing the context-sensitive menu button for exit without saving, or save the settings by pressing the context-sensitive menu button for the save symbol. A confirmation save icon will appear in the notification bar. Then press the exit button to return to the main display menu. As you can see, our chart has been updated and the parameters for the set points reflect the values we input: 5 milliamps at 1 gallon per hour and 19 milliamps at 17 gallons per hour. We are still reading 12 milliamps, but the pump is operating at 9 gallons per hour. The pump is now configured to our specifications, and we can press the Start/Stop button at the left of the screen to start the pump. For more information on this metering pump, refer to the manual or contact your local authorized representative. Milton Roy pumps are engineered to exceed expectations and are backed by a global network of highly trained field engineers and after-sales support that is second to none. Visit us online to find your local authorized Milton Roy representative. Milton Roy metering pumps offer field-proven reliability along with new, innovative solutions to meet today's toughest industry challenges.